something that is very important to our band. If you go to our merch booth tonight, it's over in the corner, you'll see a hoodie that we're selling. It's a hoodie that we created with Hurley Clothing. Maybe you know Hurley, maybe you don't. But yeah, we designed this hoodie for a special cause, and a large portion of the proceeds is going to an organization called Love 146. Some of you guys know it, but just in case you don't, I'll tell you, it's an amazing organization that's dedicated to creating awareness about sex slavery and sex trafficking all over the world. It's a real issue that exists. Slavery still exists, and it's the worst kind. People as young as 2 years old are suffering from this, and we can change that. We can save lives. So look, if you don't have the money to pick up a if you don't have the money to pick up a hoodie, listen. Educate yourself. Love146.org. Figure out what you want to do about it if you want to do something. It's a very important cause. This song is out to all those children who we believe deserve a chance. It's called We Are Broken.